Hey, to use live translation of the phone calls on the Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, all you have to do is just to go into the settings. Now you will have to scroll down and you will have to enter for the advanced features and go into the advanced intelligence. When you open here, click on the phone, then turn it on by tapping on the switcher, click to continue, and now set the translation language. So you have to pick your language. For example, let's say that you are speaking in the English and you want to get your translation into the other language, like for example into the Chinese. So click OK, tap to download this live translation spec. As you can see from here, you can find the full size of it and the percentage download. So we have to wait until it will be finished. It will take a few seconds. And after that, I'm going to show you how you can set it up to use it a little bit more easier. Now it is actually installing the Chinese language pack, and there we go. As you can see from here, we can still adjust those languages, so we can change your language and the language that you want to translate. You can also change voice. I'm gonna change the voice, the volume.
This is what it sounds like when you're translating a call.
Yeah, you can also add other voices, but you will have to actually download this voices pack. There we go.
This is what it sounds like when you're translating a call.
So we can get male or female language. And it works the same for the other person language. And what is actually useful, that you can actually mute your voice. So it actually means that the person that you are talking with will be not able to hear your voice. So it will be able to only hear what you actually, the translator voice. Yeah, so you want to translate this phrase, like for example, hey guys, subscribe to my channel. So the person is not going to hear the English phrase from your voice, it's only going to hear the Chinese phrase. And it also looks the same for the second way. So if someone is speaking to you in the Chinese, you can mute other person's voice and you will only hear translation in your native setup here language. So as you can see, that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.